that I met you, I thought it looked so sweet. I stood around for the hills, beating a retreat. And when I heard you talking with that alluring sound, should have recalled the sirens and how then things went down. Living on the trenches, looking for a way to escape. You always cut me down like a dreamer's with the grapes.
This fucking happened. So probably not the video I want to make. Sorry about the quality, filming it on my iPhone and the sound, but this is what happened. This is my daily and the one I use for towing my vehicle. It's going around the roundabout in the outside lane, and my cabby decided he wanted to go from the center and push me all the way into the reservation. So that's where the heat was, and he literally pushed my car into the side reservation. This was quite fun. Airbags deploying. Never had this done before. Hopefully this can be repaired. Such a nice car. I don't want it to be written off. It doesn't drive too bad. It's a little crooked, but it'll get you home. Good old Volvo. Swedish quality. A slight wobble, probably easy to drift now. It's a new day, new beginning. I'm going to pick up my new car. Guess what it is? No guesses? I'm not gonna tell you what it is now. Some of you might guess. I miss my Volvo. Anyways, onto the tube station. It's a short 10-minute walk, and then half an hour to Houston, and then 2.5 hours to Blackburn. Yes, the car is in Blackburn. I could not find anything closer to London, so it's going to be a long day. I guess wish me luck. See you later.
Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender.
Garbage outside. Blackburn is not that fast. I'm only joking, I've been here for 2 seconds. What a hole. So here we are in Blackburn, Volkswagen. Can you guess what car is? I can see it from here. Can you see it from here? No, you cannot. Guys, are you ready? Here we are. Lovely, isn't it? Nah, I'm only kidding. It's this thing. It's a Volvo. Oh yes, I know. It's exactly the same as the previous one. Our design. D5, 220 horse, 4-wheel drive. It's white, already tinted. It has adaptive cruise control. It has DVDs in the rear headrest. It's wonderful. It is wonderful. Yeah, so got it picked up. It's white. It's our design. It's a Volvo. Why not? I know I'm getting old, but it's safe and it's just wonderful. The seats are so good. Oh, until you try it, people can start knocking. It's like, literally, it feels like I'm driving in my own living room right now. I'm absolutely in love with it. It's the only car that I actually bought second time exactly the same. Actually kind of lying, because the A4, the B7, the grey BJ one, was replaced by RS4, slightly bit more powerful. Well, this one has an upgraded adaptive cruise control. Look, now I have cruise control on, boom, some car got in front of me, and hey, it broke, so I didn't need to do it. So relaxing, I'm ecstatic. So yeah, obviously it kind of sucks that the other one was written off, but at the end of the day, it's not the end of the world. It's only metal, no injuries, no nothing, so insurance will pay us some money for it. This one was a slight upgrade. Tammy should be happy, I'm happy. I have a tow vehicle, and yeah, 5 hours to go home. So thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content. If you didn't find this one interesting, don't bother giving it a like, just put a comment what I could have done differently. But yeah, thank you very much. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.